Hello everyone, I'm Abraham Cesar Pada and this is my video presentation para sa Laboratory 3 Behavioral Design Pattern. So, kaning activity is nag-create ko og simple nga system called Online Food Delivering System. So, kaning nga system is gi-applied na ko o gi-combine na ko ang tulo ka behavioral design pattern which is ang command pattern, strategy pattern o observer pattern. So, here is my UML diagram. So, it shows the main classes and yun sa sila pag connected sa ako system. So, first is we have the order class and the customer class. So, the customer class is nag-act na siya like an observer. Then, ang order class is the subject. So, whenever the order status changes like preparing o out of delivery or gi-delivered na, ang customer kani is notified siya automatically. And next is we have the payment strategy interface. So, implement niya si PayPal payment, credit card payment o si cash payment. So, gipalo niya si strategy pattern because iyang lets the user to choose between choose different payment methods nga wala usab ang main order logic. So lastly is we have the command pattern. So gi-apply lang si command pattern first nga naay duha ka implementation which is ang place order command o cancel order command. So kanina command are gi-executed na siya through the order system which acts as the invoker. So, kaninga pattern is nagatabang na siya to separate the logic of placing canceling orders from the main program. So, karon ipakita na ko kung giun sa pag-work sa program. So, pagkat ko na siyang i-run, so, mao na siya mulabas. So, enter your name. So, for example, Bram. Then, after na is, gias niya ang user to kung unsa nga pagkaon nilang gustong i-order. So, for example, kaning cheeseburger. So, ako i-concept 1. Then, after na is, nag-ask for the payment method. So, I can choose between the PayPal, GCash, or cash on delivery. So, diri nag-work si strategy pattern. So, nagamit siya og selected payment method strategy. So, for example, pili na ko si cash on delivery. So, after na is, ang order is i-place siya using ang command pattern through the place order command. So, ang system then gi-update niya ang order status to prepare. Prepare. Then, out for delivery. Then, finally, na-delivered na siya. So, each time na ang order status changes, ang customer nag-receive po siya og notification. So, dira nag-work si observer pattern. So, gi-simulates niya kung how an actual food delivery app notifies a user when ang order when order progresses. So so in summary, ang online food ordering system is demonstrate three the how the three behavioral design pattern can work together. So ang command is muna siyang nag-handle sa user's action. Ang strategy is for the flexible payment options, o ang observer pattern is more siyang nag-notify sa customers para of updates. So kanina combination makahimo og system modular, easy to extend, og realistic, similar sa mga food delivery apps work. So mora na. So thank you for watching.